unicorns, welcome back to the music room. Today we're going to learn to play the G chord on our baritone ukuleles. Let's make sure our instruments are tuned. And let's make sure that the fingernails of our left hand are trimmed. In order to play the G chord, you're going to need to put your third finger in the third fret. Now, if you're new to an instrument, a string instrument, this is your first time, you bought the instrument, you have no idea what to do with it, let's go over a couple quick things. This is where each fret exists. Every time we move our fingers down the fretboard, we are raising the pitch of each string. So in order for us to get a G, we are putting our third finger in the third fret. Make sure that that's the sound you're getting. I'm using the fat part of my thumb gently on the string. You don't want a harsh, that's not a good sound, it's not okay. So just be gentle with it. If you are getting that sound out, you're there, you did it. But if you're getting something that's more like this, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to make sure that you are squeezing your thumb and your third finger and gripping tightly, because then the sound will come out. Now that you're making a G, let's play the G chord. Please play 4 quarter notes and using your thumb, the squishy part of your thumb, down strokes. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, try it again. Rest, 2, try it again. Rest, 2, this is the last time. And stop. Well done. Hopefully you're finding some success. Keep repeating this until you've gotten it, and stay tuned for the next video in this series. We're going to play around with the G chord for a little bit, and then we're going to move on to new chords. Thanks for joining me. Bye!